Proper inventory management helps restaurants know how much food and other stock, like spices, cooking equipment, and employee uniforms, to have on hand to meet demand. Restaurants also face the challenge of turning over perishable items before they spoil. Effective inventory management for restaurants can help, minimizing food waste while also decreasing costs of goods sold, improving vendor management, building a better customer experience, and increasing profits. Let's take a look at an example. This is Megan. Megan runs Basecamp Brew, a cafe that serves beverages and sandwiches to campers, hikers, and locals. But Megan's running into some problems. She can't get a handle on menu costs or keep the ingredients for her famous breakfast sandwiches in stock, leading to dissatisfied diners, lost sales, and inadequate profits. Megan needs a better way to manage her inventory. There are some best practices she can follow to do so. First, Megan should organize her inventory. She can put labels on shelves to make it easier to see when things need to be restocked. She can also keep her most used products in a visible and super accessible spot. As for perishables, Megan can use the first expiring, first out, or FIFO method, ensuring that ingredients rarely go bad. Next, Megan needs to consider how to keep stock levels as low as possible without running out of inventory. A PAR inventory sheet can help, and a food waste worksheet is important too. Megan also needs to calculate her sell-through rates to see how much of a given item or group of items, like meats, breads, and so forth, she sells during a given period of time. She'll then need to create a schedule to track all inventory regularly, even non-food inventory. And to safeguard against mistakes, Megan can put 2 employees in charge of this and have them check each other's work. Another way Megan can increase efficiency? Technology. Inventory management systems coordinated with her POS can help Megan set automatic reordering points, provide deeper insight into sales and expenses, forecast demand based on historical data, trends, or seasonality, and generate reports for better decision making. With improved inventory management for her restaurant, Megan will not only have everything she needs to keep selling her famous breakfast sandwiches, she also has the recipe to continue making Basecamp Brews more successful.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Don't forget to check out this link or this video and make sure you subscribe now.